In Canada, there are many online brokers where you can buy and sell stocks and other assets. But which one is best for your needs? Some investors are beginners, so will need a beginner-friendly platform.
So, what's your name, newbie?
While others are traders and will need a more complex platform. Some will value cheaper fees, while others will value features, customer service, and market research. This list is in no particular order. Everyone's needs are different, so let's jump right into the brokers that might be right for you. Number 1, Wealthsimple. This is the most beginner-friendly broker. They offer a painless sign-up process and an easy-to-use platform. Although available on web browsers, this platform's strength is within its app. They offer a simple and clean user interface that anyone can use. Other pros include no commission fees, no annual fees, no account minimums, fractional shares, covering transfer fees, sign-up bonus, referral program, and even offer a robo-advisor and cryptocurrencies. Their cons include high currency conversion fees, no free USD accounts, lack of research and analyst tools, no margin, futures, options, and other securities, limited account types, and only offer the main stock exchanges. Because of their easy-to-use platform and zero commission fees, this platform is perfect for the young beginner investor with a small portfolio who just wants to buy Canadian stocks and ETFs. Although you can just as easily buy US stocks and ETFs, you'll need to upgrade to the Plus account to avoid excessive conversion fees. Number 2, Dizznap. This broker, on the other hand, is a full-service broker which offers more account types, more securities, margin, options, an advanced trading platform, and streaming market data. Other pros of this platform include zero commission fees, easy to waive inactivity fees, free training events, cheaper registered withdrawal fees, and extra perks for young investors. Their cons include an outdated platform and app, doesn't cover transfer in fees, no sign-up bonus, $1,000 minimum, and although they are a full-service broker, they offer less than the other brokers. This platform can be used with small or large portfolios and beginner to more advanced traders. This broker is for the investor or trader who wants as much as possible with minimal fees. They aren't the best broker, but they are one of the cheapest. Now, if you value quality more than less fees, consider the next broker on this list. Number 3, Qtrade. This is another full-service broker, minus the advanced trading platform with streaming market data. They offer many account types, domain exchanges, ETFs, margin, options, and other securities. Their pros include no minimum to get started, 100 commission-free ETFs, young investor perks, industry-leading tools, an award-winning platform, and best customer support in the business. On the downside, it's going to cost you. Commission fees cost $8.75. They have an administration fee of $25 per quarter, which is a bit harder to waive, and US dollar registered account fees. This broker is for the beginner or seasoned investor who values a good quality platform and features over less fees. This broker is less suited for the active day trader. Number 4, Questrade. This is a full-service broker which includes an advanced trading platform with streaming market data. They offer a bit more than the other brokers so far. This includes foreign exchange markets, CFDs, precious metals, international markets, commodities, and managed portfolios. Other pros include lower commission fees, free buying of ETFs, rebatable streaming market data, no annual fees, covers transfer in fees, no registered account fees, sign-up bonus, and referral program. As for the cons, there is a $1,000 minimum to start investing, they charge ECN fees, and although they have less fees, there are much cheaper options out there. This platform is considered to be the best broker overall for most investors. It's not the most beginner-friendly platform, it's not the cheapest platform, and it doesn't offer the most, but it's just right for your average investor. Not too sophisticated and not too basic, and can be quite suitable for some active day traders. Number 5, Interactive Brokers. This platform is the most comprehensive broker available in Canada. They are the only platform on this list that's not based out of Canada. They are US based and available all over the world. This platform pretty much offers everything you could possibly want. FX markets, futures, global markets, most tradable securities, most order types, and most advanced platform features. Other pros include very low commission fees, low option fees, no inactivity fees, lowest margin fees, lowest FX fees, and interest on cash balances. Their cons include a platform that is complex, minimal account types available, and disliked mobile app. This platform is suitable for professionals and institutions, for sophisticated and advanced traders. So your active day traders, future traders, option traders, and FX traders. And if you can overcome the learning curve of this platform, it could be for an investor who wants to pay less fees overall. Now these are your best options in Canada. Others include the Big Six banks, CI Direct Trading, and HSBC Invest Direct. You are never stuck with the same broker, and you can use multiple brokers. Hopefully this video helped you in choosing yours. If you want to continue learning, check out one of the videos on the right of the screen. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace!